Hello everyone, I'm Chef Rahila and you're welcome to the Miele Nigeria Active Kitchen. I really hope everyone has been keeping safe, washing their hands, and most especially social distancing in these times. So today we'll be making jollof rice, which is a popular dish in many West African countries. Shall we get started? For this recipe, we'll be needing rice, which is the most obvious ingredient, some tomatoes, tatashe like it's called in Nigeria, or bell peppers, onions, scotch bonnet, rosemary, thyme, ginger, garlic, bay leaf, oregano, fennel seeds, salt, and black pepper. We will be using the Miele induction hob to make our jollof base. First thing we want to do is heat up cooking oil. Once that is done, we're going to add some sliced onions and fry until translucent. Then we're going to pour in our blended mix and let that fry for some time. After that is done frying, we will then add our spices, then add boiling water. For this dish, we will be using long grain rice which has already been washed and strained. I personally like using this rice because it is easy to cook and it does not need to be parboiled beforehand. Right now, we're going to finish off the rice in the Miele oven using conventional heat at 170 degrees. So our jollof rice is finally ready. You know, one of the amazing features about the Miele oven is that the conventional heat allows for even distribution of heat, which lets your food cook evenly. We're gonna open this now. Oh my God, it smells so good.
You can serve your rice with baked chicken and garnish with cherry tomatoes and some rosemary.
Thank you so much for joining us on this episode of the Miele Kitchen Experience. I really hope that you try out this recipe and let us know what you think by tagging us on social media. Also, don't forget to like, share, and comment. Until next time, I am Chef Rahila. Bye!